Hey guys, welcome back to another Battle of the Foundations. Today we're trying out the CYO Long Lasting Foundation. So it's a drugstore one. If you want to see my thoughts on it, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you hit that little subscribe button down there. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so today, again, we are going to be trying out the CYO Long Lasting Foundation. Now this comes in 15 shades. You can pick it up at Walgreens for $7 and you get 1 fluid ounce in that. It's supposed to be medium buildable coverage and good for all skin types. It's also supposed to be smudge and transfer resistant, so we're going to put that to the test as well. And it says that you can use your fingers, a sponge, or a brush. I happen to have all three, but I always do my foundation test using a sponge on one side and a brush on the other. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do today. So as always, I've gone in, I have already primed, and I have all of my serums and creams and stuff on. I've under eye color corrected. So we're ready to just get going on this. It did say in the instructions to shake this up. So I'll do that. And I have worn this one other time, so this being my second time, it will give me a good idea of how it performs for me. I'm going to go ahead and get my hair out of my face so I don't get foundation in it. And you know what? Yeah, let's take the earrings out because they're going to make noises. Aren't these so cute? I'll show these to you. Just love how cute they are. They're so lightweight. I picked them up off of Wish, so if you're interested, I'll leave a link down below to them. And then I also got the color 103. So again, with the 15 different shades, this is a little bit dark for me. I picked this up quite a while ago when I was doing more self-tanning. And I'm not these days. Okay, let's start with the sponge. Just go in and work this in. Oh, that's got a very natural looking finish on it. Very, very natural looking. Okay, so that is one coat. Let's go in on this side with the brush. Okay, that is with the brush. So let's take a look in the mirror, close up of course. All right, I definitely see a lot of my hyperpigmentation and stuff coming through. I feel like the brush side gave better coverage. A lot better coverage. So let me go in, and they said this is buildable, so we're going to build it up just in the areas where I need a little more coverage. And we're going to go into the brush everywhere. No scent to it. Boy, this really, I don't know if you can tell on this screen or not. It doesn't look like it's coming across very well, but this definitely has a glow to it. It feels very nourishing on my skin. It feels like it's just moisturizing it. I know it's got vitamin E in it as well, so maybe that's what's doing it. Definitely buildable, like they said. But it's got a very lightweight feel to it, so you don't even feel like you have anything on. Hey guys, this looks really, really good. Really good. Let me get some close-up pictures real quick, and then I will be right back. All right, guys, I am back, and I tell you, this looks so good. I have very expensive foundations that look worse than this does. I mean, this really looks good. It's still a little bit tacky, so I would definitely go ahead and powder this. It's been probably about 10 minutes, especially my forehead, that's pretty tacky. But we're going to try the transfer test, and I just have a clean tissue, so I'm just going to press it. Wow, let's try this side. It's not coming off at all. Let's try rubbing it and see what happens. Oh, see, when you rub it, then you do get a little bit coming off. It's kind of hard to see because of the lights. But it looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back and show you how everything looks. But before I do that, really quickly, I want to give you guys an opportunity to get into something if you're interested. If you're not interested, I'm going to put a time down here that you can skip ahead and go to the part where I'm finished up my makeup. But I don't know if any of you guys know this, but I've been a product reviewer for several years now. And I recently got a 3-piece set of hard shell spinner luggage. And they all nest together. I'll put some pictures of them in here. And they normally sell for $120. And the seller of these was kind enough to give me a bunch of codes where you can get them for 50% off. That was the price at $60 for a very nice set of luggage. They are awesome, I tell you. You can only get the black ones. So if you're looking for a new set of luggage, here's what I want you to do. I want you to email me at KarenReneBeauty@gmail.com and just say that you want to go ahead and order these. They are ordered through Amazon, so you order them yourself. They're Prime, so that way if you have Prime with Amazon, then you get the free shipping on those. Usually, of course, 2 days. And you just take care of paying for them. All I'm going to do is be nice and give you a code to get them 50% off because they were so nice to give me all these codes. I've offered them to all my friends and family members, and they said give them to whoever you want to. So that's what I'm doing. So, okay, now let's get done. I'm going to go finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back, and I have to say I love this foundation. I have some high-end foundations that don't look as good as this one does. It looks so natural. Yes, a little bit of my imperfections are showing through, but that just makes it look more natural. It just makes my skin look like my skin, but really, really good. I lightly powdered it. Nothing is tacky anymore. It definitely has a satin finish to it, but it's so comfortable. Looking at it close up, it's doing the normal, settling right in there. It's not settling into my forehead at all, but it just looks so good. It looks and it feels so good. It feels so lightweight. It's not sticky. I'm going to tell you something. This is a bad. No. But the night before last, I fell asleep on the couch, and my husband left me there, and I had all of my makeup on, and this is what I wore. The next morning, I woke up. My foundation looked absolutely perfect. I was blown away by how long-lasting this was and how it stayed looking so good. So, every once in a while that does happen, that I just kind of crash on the couch. But dang, it looks so good, and it looks so good now. So this one I highly, highly, highly recommend. Again, you can get it at Walgreens. Mine doesn't carry it. I had to order it online. But if you have one nearby you, you can have it shipped to the store, and you can pick it up for free there. So I would seriously get this one. Just go get it. Okay, I rambled on long enough. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to do that. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see this look, that's coming up on Saturday's video. And if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, as always, leave those down below. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.